Good morning from Willow Springs, Raptor Park. As you can see, we're dressed up a bit, so we're finally gonna get out on these for a little ride. We're gonna attempt to do Canyonlands National Park, and we're gonna take you along with us. So hope you enjoy.
Take you where you wanna go.
Babe, this is like, I am not going much further than this. Look at that drop. I can zoom out here a little bit. Grand Canyon who?
Or what?
Canyonlands National Park's doing it right.
Dream big, 'cause boy, you're gonna make it. Stand tall, there's a higher road to take it. Let go of everything that you know and be wild in the mystery. I've been in the darkness for 40 days.
don't know if this is gonna work, but Jason's stroking out over here because we're on the edge of a cliff. Babe, can I just step out over there and get a picture?
No. You're good right where you're at. I don't need to lose you today.
You're not gonna lose me.
Yeah. I'll lose you to a 1,000-foot drop.
Not really. Come on, like right here?
All right, back it up. You know, my kids used to do this to me. I didn't like it when they did it.
Oh, come on. Does it give you what?
The heebie-jeebies. Major.
Okay.
Like heebie-jeebies, exclamation point.
I'm coming. What you're seeing in this video is just a quick glimpse of our epic ride through Canyonlands National Park and Dead Horse Point State Park. There is so much more to see on this ride. There's twists and turns and stunning stops. We just couldn't fit it all in this video. But don't worry, we've got the full ride ready for you, so you can enjoy every curve and turn with us. And if you're enjoying our adventure, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. We are currently leaving our dispersed camping area at Willow Springs Road, just north of Moab, Utah. And I would say that we had a pretty good time here.
We could have spent a lot more time because obviously we couldn't get to do everything we wanted to do, but we did tackle some of the big rocks, I guess you could call them. Did a motorcycle ride in Canyonlands National Park, which was awesome. And did a small quad ride, which was great. There's lots of things we did miss, like Arches National Park, which I really wanted to do, but
And some more dinosaur tracks.
Yeah, but I think we'd have to be here for a solid month to in order for me to be able to do those physically. So we'll have to come back.
Yeah, and we're just going down the highway to dump and fill up with water in preparation for our next stopover. Also, it got a little chilly here. It is the end of October, just about Halloween. So by the time it hits -1 degree Celsius overnight, it's time for us to go.
We're out.
You can come back. Okay, there.
Cigarettes and bitter wine, just some kids underneath that moonlight, getting closer.
I know it's not recommended to close the black tank while your flush is on, but set a little timer for 6 minutes just to fill it up a bit to get those residuals out, and I haven't had any issues. If you forget it, you're probably going to get yourself into trouble. That's why I always set a timer.
With you riding shotgun in my car, do you remember?
Close enough.
When we were burning the embers
Okay.
All dumped and ready to go. So I just called Sadie from Camping World and made our payment for the 1 hour of labor that the extended warranty didn't cover. So that was $185, and they are going to email us the receipt. And I told her to say thank you to Hector for fighting so hard for us. They ended up sending the case to upper management with our extended warranty. So,
Which, when you have extended warranty, sure this isn't affordable, all the beeping that's going on here? Extended warranty will try to cheap out and not cover some parts, and you need to fight. Don't just take what they give you. You pay a lot of money for extended warranty. You expect it to be covered for all the parts that need to be replaced that are within the warranty. And ours were supposed to be, but they tried to pay for one piece but not the other piece.
and what's written in the policy doesn't exactly match our system. So what's written in the policy about jack legs is for something that doesn't have motors. So when our motors failed because our jack legs failed, they weren't going to cover the motors.
Yeah, so the first time they weren't going to cover the legs, but they covered the motors. And then when they found out the legs were bad, they were going to cover only the legs and not cover the motors because the legs were much cheaper. So we're glad we had the service department fight for us and get most of that all covered. And now we're happy. We're happy campers.
Big thanks to Sadie and Hector from Camping World in Idaho Falls. We are back on the road and we are complete level geeks. Every time we go to level, we watch and make sure things are working right.
It's like we've never had it before.
Yeah, because it just works so well now. Anyway, we're gonna turn off the camera so we can get out of here. See you later. Hey darling, tell us what you see outside the window on our drive.
Something that we've been trying to escape for a month now since we left home.
I'm gonna flip the camera around now. We see snow. It is not our favorite sight.
I said when we left that I only wanted to see snow unless I wanted to. I don't want to yet.
That's correct.
Saving grace right now as we're driving through it.
We're headed into Arizona, I think, next.
Well, down that way, yeah.
Down that way. How's that chicken from Popeyes, dear?
It's nothing. It's delicious. I feel like I drank hot lava.
What kind of burger did you get?
Ghost pepper, something or other.
Which was technically middle of the road on their spicy scale. So it's a little too spicy for you? No?
Nope. It's great. It's got a little heat. Mild.
Did you want to
I should have scaled up.
Did you want a Kleenex?
No.